You have an image but aren't sure what it's showing? Upload it and let IMAGO Collab Analyze Image tool explain, summarize, and translate, all in one click. All you need to do is upload an image. It can be anything, like a solar system diagram, historical painting, biology chart, or even a classroom whiteboard snapshot. IMAGO Collab will analyze it instantly and give you clear, useful insights. Need to take notes? No stress. Just convert the info into sticky notes and everything becomes quick reference notes right on your board. Oh, and here's the game changer. You can translate your sticky notes into multiple languages instantly with a single click. Global learning? Easy.